Greetings everyone. Today I have a very excellent opportunity thanks to some friends of the channel to go check out a room at the Disneyland Hotel. Let's roll that intro. Yes, I'm very excited to show this off to you today. I'm starting off here in the lobby of the Fantasyland Tower because it's so nice. This is where you would check in if you were coming in off the street or whatever else right there. But also, one thing I absolutely love about this lobby in particular is this one aspect. Teacup. Is a teacup. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, let's look at this. It's one of those things when you're just sitting in it. Feels right, baby. Feels right. Actually, the room we'll be looking at, though, it will not be in Fantasyland Tower. It won't be in Frontierland Tower. It's going to be in Adventureland Tower. I haven't been here in so long. Seriously, guys, it's been years. Like, I've come into the hotel a few times, but, like, never, like, it's just kind of passing through. I haven't, like, gone in the room for a long time, so I'm very excited. So thank you to Ross and Amy for allowing this to happen. This is amazing. Not only do I get to spend time with these lovely people, but they allow me to come show the room. So cool. Thank you guys so much. There's a lot of great artwork here though in the Fantasyland Tower, including some old actual photos of people who've stayed here, but this is like some old like concept art and stuff. Dumbo, and then like the teacups over there, and the duck bumps, so the duck boat, that is like the bumpers. You get it, duck bump, like, you guys understand. You understand, but yeah, it's great. It's just, it's a really cool hotel. Also, at the time of this recording, they are all done up for Halloween. So as you can see here, the classic Haunted Mansion stuff. So if you're like, Jimmy, I want a classic Haunted Mansion. I came to the park and saw this Jack Skellington stuff. You can come over there to the Disneyland Hotel and you can get that. It's also a wrap on the door, like that. It's like the Pet Cemetery, which I'm not a big fan of, but yeah, which of these four is your favorite? Which one do you like the most? I don't know all their names. But you can just tell me which one you like the most in the comments. That's what I would love to hear. Yeah. Oh, the theming continues. Look at these grim grinning ghosts. They hitchhiking. They're hitchhiking up to your room. Oh my gosh. How spooky. But the thing I love most about this spot is right here. Look around. You can see all these old photos. People who've been here. Walter Cronkite. Legend. You know what I'm talking about? Oh. Look at this, Walt looking out over the construction of Disneyland. The quote, Disneyland will never be completed. It will continue to grow as long as there's imagination left in the world. What an inspiration. And this is Walt watching one of the workers work on Main Street. Look at that. It's like, hopefully he's not micromanaging. That's pretty funny. But look at how happy he is. He's like, look at this. This was an idea where he's like, I wanted a train set for myself right across from the studios, and it evolved into all of this. Sherman Brothers, legendary musicians right here. Oh my gosh. Small World opening day where they brought water from all over the world and poured it in. Oh, that's incredible. There's so much. Bob Hope? Wow, this is great. Oh my gosh, they have so many people here. It's just like, whatever you're into. A Dolly Parton? Wow. On either side of the elevators, by the way, there's a Small World gifts and sundries, and then they also have a merchandise shop right over here too. Again, we are still in the Fantasyland Tower. Keep that in mind. We are not looking at our hotel room in the Fantasyland Tower. We're going to the Adventureland Tower. But you can look at one of the cruise ships. Look at this model though. This is the Disney Fantasy. Something about these models, like, you get really close and you can really appreciate the intricate detail. Oh my gosh. Like, someone had to make this fake little water slide. That's amazing. That's great. I don't know. I really respect models. I really do. Also, at the time of this recording, the villas at Disneyland Hotel are the brand new tower that you can find here. And this is just to the right when you walk in. They also have a model of it over there too. So if you're Vacation Club or are interested, I'm not sponsored. I'm just giving you the facts. But if you're like, Jimmy, I'm not interested in that at all, I'm going to show you some over here. Look at this. Look at this thing right here. Look at these people right here. It's Ross and Amy. There they are. These are the people. These are the magic makers here.
Do you see
Look
the
at this.
memorabilia wall?
The memorabilia, well, yes. Insane, right?
Amazing.
It's so cool. I was just showing it.
Very same
Pooh Bear from 1971.
What? Really?
Hers was just filled with stuffing.
Oh my gosh.
Same exact bear.
Oh, cool. Okay, is that down over here?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't, wait, maybe I didn't see that. Uh-oh. So when Amy was a baby, she had this Winnie the Pooh here. This is the memorabilia wall. I thought it was the black and white picture wall, but this is like old school Disney merchandise. Like some of this stuff might look familiar to some of the people watching right now. Other people might be like, I don't know what this is because all the stuff I own is digital. So, yeah, this is how it used to be, folks. Is it cute? Is there? Oh, I had one of these Mickey back scratchers. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm all about this. Wow. Yeah, like old school, like, man, some of the stuff that was just accepted as far as like the characters went back in the days. But I kind of have a fondness for this old kind of Mickey right here. I like that. I don't know. There's something about him. There's a charm. There's a charm. But yeah, this is crazy. This is really cool. We're just walking over here by Goofy's Kitchen, which is still kind of connected tangentially to the Fantasyland Tower as we kind of move around here. But there's so much history about the Disneyland Hotel that you can actually go and look up. It's not going to be in this video per se because we're just showing off the room. However, I still wanted to kind of show this off because the grounds here at the Disneyland Hotel are beautiful. They're exceptional. Shout out to the horticulture team for doing a good job. This is so pretty. It's so nice. That's where we're going. That big shiny building. It's like, oh, the camera, it's just brightness. It's like, I can't understand it. Also, if you're looking for the Tangaroa Terrace or Trader Sam's, they're located centrally here at the Disneyland Hotel. So like, we're gonna be walking over the pool right now, and there's like the monorail slides and stuff. Pretty cute, huh? But this is where you would go if you wanna get a little grub, maybe grab a drink. Yeah, all that stuff. It's great, especially at night. Oh. I love it. I love the tiki torches. I swear I was not paid to promote this because I haven't stayed in these, but this is the new DVC tower, kind of hidden amongst the foliage. But yeah, went with a little bit of a different color scheme there to stand out a bit, but definitely add some more shade to this area too, I guess. But yeah, over here is the Frontierland Tower. Really cool Big Thunder Mountain Railroad model in that tower. You should definitely go check it out. Here we go. Adventure Tower. Oh, I was calling it Adventureland Tower. Adventure Tower. I put land there just because I feel like I need to. So we're scanning in. Ross got. Oh, it's magic. Thank you. Oh, okay, here we are. This is really nice. We're really gonna get to all. I want us to just start here. Look at this. It's like collage, as it were, of Disneyland memorabilia, old pictures and things like that. Oh, there's a hoodoo of Big Thunder Mountain. I love it. Okay, before we get to the main room, we're going to dive right over here, looking into the bathroom. There's a closet and two I will show back there, but let's just start here. Look at this nice sink. This is very nice. Look at this. And one of my favorite little things about the Disneyland Hotel, look at these little Mickey Mouse hands holding up the lights. And they're, hello, how you doing? But look at that. Oh, this is really, really nice. Look at all the little Mickeys. There are tons of little Mickeys everywhere here. And then it comes with some of the H2O stuff, which is really, really nice. Got some backup kind of towels and toilet paper and stuff. If you do need it, I believe that's a hairdryer as well. Then you come on into here. Bathroom continued. So we got the toilet, the commode with the towels, and then also the shower, which this one's kind of nice because, like at the Grand recently, this is a tub as well. So this is great, especially if you've got kids or whatever else. Nice safety rail. Love a good safety rail. But yeah, this is kind of all the lighting you do seem to get in this particular space. Also comes with a big mirror on the door, though. Lots of mirrors, okay? Just gotta check yourself out. You're like, hi, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? One thing I did want to show off, though, is look over here. We have like a connecting room that I don't think we're gonna get into, and that's totally fine. But it also does come with this right here. We got a closet space, which they have backup blankets and pillows and stuff. We can move on in here. But yeah, pretty nice space here too. I won't go through all of their, clothes, because that's not what a good friend would do. But it does come with a safe. I know some people have been asking about this. They're like, does this room come with a safe? And I'm like, yeah, it comes with a safe. Might come with a safe. Who knows? But this is the big main room here. And look at this. This is beautiful. We're going to get to that view in just a second. But look at this bed. This is beautiful. It's large. This is I'm like looking at him like, please don't immediately fall asleep on it. It's not your bed. But it comes with this lovely picture of Walt's, one of my absolute favorite pictures of Walt ever in my life. I love it. I really do love it. And then also, look at this. This is beautiful. This is so very nice. One of those Disneyland hotel touches right there. If you're wondering about the TV situation though, check it out right over here. Now this does turn a little bit, we found, so you can watch TV in bed if you want to. And of course underneath it comes with the Keurig machine. And there's more Joffreys. Man, the Joffreys people love those Joffreys, you know. And then you've got your cups and your ice buckets and stuff. And then also, if I'm not mistaken, it's gonna be, yeah, that mini fridge right there. Mini fridge, we love the mini fridges. Then also some other drawers for everything else you might need. Along with this, I don't know, what would you call that? Like a little bench? A bench is what I would say. Yeah. But over here, we actually have a desk. A desk replete with scary teddies. Look at them. Look how many scary teddies there are. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. But also, look at this. These guys already know. USB plugins. Is that USB-C? They've got some other plugins. All the things you might need. Just like, look at all of that. That's fantastic. I love to see that. I absolutely love to see that. But the pièce de résistance is this view. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And I was looking out all over this. It might be kind of hard to tell, but past Pixar Pier Hotel, you can kind of see the Incredicoaster and things like that. The Grand Californian is right over there. But as Amy pointed out to me, my beloved, it's way in the distance there. But you can actually see the Matterhorn from here and the fireworks, which is so cool. Amy and Ross were also telling me that in the beginning of the day, to get into security checkpoint, they just like literally walk right out over here, hop in line. Not a problem. Not a problem. Oh, it's just, wow. This is a nice room. Now Ross and Amy, they're friends of mine, and they're so kind enough to allow me to attempt the patented bed test. Now remember, I am a professional. Do not try this at home. Leave it to the pros, okay? By pros, I do mean me. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Getting flashbacks to the grand supportive cloud. Okay, don't fall asleep on your friend's bed. Don't fall asleep on your friend's bed. Sorry. Lovely. Amazing. Again, this actually feels a little more firm than the one at the Grand, I think. But I like that. I really do. And again, it's one of those things that it's so nice. You never want to leave it, you know? But oh, I have to. This is good. Man, Disneyland's got good beds. Also, we figured this out together as a group, but if you hit this little button over here, wait for it. There it is. Yes. So cute, isn't it? So you can leave that on while you're falling asleep. That little switch is right down over here. There's kind of like a little button, as you can see. So you hit it, and then you hit it again, and then it comes wham! Right there. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, how quaint. How very quaint. You can snuggle up with your scary teddy and go off into Slumberland. Not sponsored by Slumberland. So there's a brief little overview of one of the hotel rooms here in the Disneyland Hotel in the Adventure Tower. I always want to say Adventureland Tower. That's just how I'm wired, you know? Hanging out with Walt. Ah, it's so cool. Anyway, but thank you so much to Amy and Ross for letting me come check this place out. It's so cool. Also, they've got like more windows. There's so many windows here. Like, but yeah, it's lovely to come see this place. And even if I'm not staying here, I hope it feels like, you know, for you guys, it was like a little piece of that Disney magic. And if you are planning on coming to stay at the Disneyland Hotel, this is kind of one of the rooms. This is a king-size bed just by itself, you know. They were talking to me that there was potential to get another type of room that was much, much bigger, but they did not need it. So this still seems really good, especially for a couple to stay here. So yeah, or just a solo, perhaps, king-size bed for a king. Either way, thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the likes, the comments, and all the sharing. All that really means a heck of a lot to me. And also to our members. People have been re-upping their memberships here on YouTube. And also to the patrons. Thank you so much, patrons. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you want to consider supporting me financially, take a look down at the links below. But either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.